Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. The phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2004 Toyota Rav4 Cruiser, stock reference number 4711. This shape runs from the 7th month 2003 through to the 10th month 2005. It has a 2AZ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 2AZ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the right hand side. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, factory alloy nudge bar with driving lights and all fittings, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre with the left hand power door mirror. Left front door has 3 small dents, left rear door has 2 small dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the left hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Spare wheel. Right hand bumper cover. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right power door mirror. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with dark grey cloth interior. Automatic type console. Automatic gear shifter. Heater controls. Aftermarket Kenwood CD player, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunroof and sunglass holder type, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.